Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of complete course on data structures. This course is created by Crowd Course Initiative. Get excited because there are a lot of interesting bits of knowledge coming your way. In this video, we will cover the absolute essentials of data structures. A data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing information in a computer so that the information can be retrieved and used effectively. A data structure consists of details regarding how the data is stored and the operations that can be performed on the data. For example, an array list in Java is a data structure which helps to store a sequence of similar objects. It supports operations like inserting and removing elements from the list. Different data structures are used in different tasks. They can be highly specialized too. Let's see some examples in the next slide. Now let's look at some practical uses of data structures in our daily life. We all use Google daily in our lives to perform any search. How do you think Google can give you thousands of results within a second? It's because it organizes all the data in an efficient manner using data structures and uses optimal algorithms to access this data. Another use case of data structures is autocomplete or spell check on our mobile phones. A data structure called tree, or often pronounced try, helps to store the words in an effective manner so that the algorithm can quickly find a list of similar words and make suggestions for the autocomplete. Finally, how does Facebook keep track of a person's posts, likes, and comments? All these are not possible without data structures and algorithms that can work on this data. An abstract data type is a concept regarding the data and the operations that can be performed on it, regardless of the implementation. It serves as a model for the data structure. For example, a list is an abstract data type where you can perform operations like insert and delete. But a list can be implemented using an array or linked list. Data types define what type of values can be stored in a variable. For example, if a variable is defined as an integer type, it means that the variable can store only integer values. Data types can be categorized into two categories. The first category is primitive data types. Primitive data types are those data types which are indivisible units. They cannot be decomposed further into other data types. For example, integers and characters. The second category of data types is derived data types. Derived data types are those which consist of one or more data types. For example, a map consists of key-value pairs, which can be strings or integers. Another example of derived data types is a list. A list can be a list of integers or a list of strings.